If your channel has anywhere between 1 and 500,000 subscribers, YouTube just announced a new feature that is tailor-made to help you and your small channel grow bigger faster. So this is some really exciting news that was just announced at the Made on YouTube event where people got to see it go live. And what it is, it's called Hype. And it's designed to fix issues of great content creators that are smaller from getting lost in the sea of gazillions of content creators. So especially I see this a lot with the people that follow me. I look at their channel, they're doing awesome. They have great content, they have great camera presence, they're providing value, but their channel is growing very slowly. So this will help to boost your views and let your own subscribers kind of promote you out into the world. Okay, so here's how it works. If you have a channel that's under 500,000 subscribers and you're trying to grow, there's a brand new action called Hype on your channel underneath your video when you post it. And within the first 7 days of posting your video, your viewers, your subscribers can, in addition to hitting the like button or leaving comments, they can hit the Hype button. They only get 3 a week to use, but they can hit the Hype button, which will be much more powerful than ever hitting just the like button on your channel, on your video, for boosting your video to other people. So the more hypes a video gets, the higher it climbs on the new leaderboard, giving it a better chance of being discovered by new audiences. So think of it like trending videos or a trending tab for videos, because hyped videos have their own dedicated section on the YouTube feed. And thus, the more hypes you get, the more likely your video will be placed on that section and help it to grow because more people will see it. Now, you might be asking, okay, what if I only have 30 subscribers, and I'm trying to compete with someone who has 500,000 or 499,000 subscribers, and they're gonna get so many more hypes than I will ever get. Well, YouTube thought of that, of course, and they have integrated a system for a small creator bonus, which adds a point multiplier to your channel with fewer subscribers. So this way, it will even the playing field for those people that have 30 subscribers versus someone that has 400,000 subscribers. So it will help, you will still have a fair shot at using the Hype and having the Hype tool actually promote your content out to the world. However, once your channel hits 500,000 subs, this no longer applies. You can no longer be on the leaderboard anymore. And that is beautiful because it keeps this feature exclusive for new YouTubers, for those trying to grow their channels. I think it's a beautiful thing. Yes, it's one more thing for your subscribers to learn about and to do, but I think it's definitely worth your while to educate them on it, especially if you're trying to grow, and tell them, hey, if you like this video, please hype it. Hit the Hype button below. It'll really help me out to get my content out to more people. Yeah, I think it's just a beautiful bonus that will help you grow your channel. And if you're interested in taking action with it, definitely let your subscribers know, educate them so that they can use it, so that you can get shown in that dedicated section for hyped videos. Okay, great. See you guys in the next video.